mean, this is literally, yeah, paradise for a vegan, really. Salam, salam, salam. You've got children from Afghanistan here. You've got people from different backgrounds. You've got different Pakistanis. Well, on the back?
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure. Oh wait, in here?
He's saying we have good quality. We have a good quality. Come, come, come.
Woo. What a cold ride, man. Anyways, guys, good morning from a cold, rainy day here in Lahore, Pakistan. I'm with my host as well as my friend Sajjad. Sajjad, do you want to introduce yourself to the people?
Yeah, my friend, we had just came here, daily life of Lahore, because Lahore is a big vegetable market and a fruit market, and all farmers bringing here, for example, onion, potatoes. We also import, also export, also many countries. So we will ask for potatoes price. You can't believe how cheaper है. Assalamu alaikum, bhajan क्या हाल? Ibrahim किमें study? My friend, less than is $1 5 kg kilogram.
5 kilos. $1 for 5 kilos.
Less than $5.
Oh, less than $5. Oh, woo. Look at that. There you go. Well, guys, this is the largest fruit and veg market in the whole of Lahore, and you get all fruits from all around Pakistan. They come here.
This is my friend, 5 kilogram is $1.5.
5 kilogram for $1.5.
Yeah, 5 kilograms.
It's like pink, red onions, eh? Yeah. Red onions, right. Let's go and explore and see what we can find, guys.
Ladyfinger, eggplants.
So interesting seeing little kids work in the markets and stuff. It's just, you know, survivalism, so you gotta do what you gotta do and whatnot.
My friend, this is fresh minute.
Oh.
Just $1 all.
$1 for all of this? Wow. Okay. Cha.
This fresh mint, this is coriander.
Can you ask them how old are they?
Can you remember
मेरी
12 years old.
12 years old. And the other one?
आपकी कितनी उम्र? 7 years.
And yourself? 17?
18.
18. Acha. Shukriya.
Okay, thank you.
Allah Hafiz.
मेहमान न्यूजीलैंड का है, तो वो कहने लगी सस्ते। खीरा कितना है?
Oh, look at this market, man. It's just huge. People just set up with their little containers with their fruits and everything and vegetables. This is jalapenos.
This is
chilies? No.
Chili.
It's chilies.
Hot chili.
Wow. That would definitely wake you up, man, if you ever bite that. But we're not having any of it. Oh, what's this? Wonder what that is.
वैसे पूछा ही वैसे ही सामने को। My friend, this is like standing there from Afghanistan.
From Afghanistan?
Yes.
Oh, right, okay.
Recycling here.
Okay.
So this is my friend like a $1 10 kilogram cauliflower.
Cauliflower, is that? Sure. You've got children from Afghanistan here. You've got people from different backgrounds. You've got different Pakistanis. So you've got Punjabis, Pashtuns, Pathans, I think it's called Pathanis.
Yeah, exactly, Pathan and Sindhi and Balochi, all provinces came here because Lahore is a safe city, and also this is a big market. Stuff came all of the park.
That's right. So you got so many different faces here, man. But the place is also very muddy today because it's raining. So if you ever come here, make sure you wear very close shoes with some good grips.
Potatoes quality is like very red. You can see.
Oh yeah, nice.
Yeah, this
Straight
is
from the ground.
This is my friend, less than $1, 5 kilograms.
5 kilograms for less than $1.
Less than $1.
That's a lot of chips.
Yeah, a lot of chips.
A lot of chips.
If you go to like a big restaurant, it's very expensive.
Of course.
Just vegetable you pay.
Just come here, man. Who cares about the restaurants? They can make it like KFC chips, which they can, and I'll definitely buy.
Tomato, different products.
Oh yes, like Roma tomatoes, cherry tomatoes.
This is my friend, $1, 5 kilograms.
These ones you can just eat like this.
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
really nice.
Australia than one.
Thank you, thank you. Allah Hafiz. And ginger as well, my favorite. Oh, no wonder why they've got such nice tea over here, man. They've got such good ginger and so much of it. And I love ginger. It's honestly a cure for so many things. You got garlic. Oh wow. Let's go, let's go. Salam, salam, salam. This side is a bit of a nice area. It's got all enclosed and whatnot, and you got a lot of.
From Kabul.
India.
This is Indian onions.
Oh, okay. So across the Wakhan area border, you bring it across. Inshallah, mashallah. Thank you. So these are all Indian produce from the
Black border from Afghanistan. Which area?
Afghanistan. Kesog, not Kesog. Kabul or whereabouts? Where?
किस एरिया से? काबुल से?
अफगानिस्तान
अभी शहर कौन सा? शहर कौन सा? नूरिस्तान. नूरिस्तान.
From Nuristan.
Yeah, Nूरिस्तान.
Nuristan. Okay, nice. Thank you.
मुसलमान शरीयत.
From Nuristan in Afghanistan. Hello, kids. Cute little kids. Oh, very careful. Very, very careful.
Very red. You can see.
Oh yeah, wow, that's really red underneath.
Yeah.
That's like blood red almost.
Yeah. Because it's very good spot. And then behind is good view.
Oh yeah, let's go. What's that? Is that a masjid?
Madrasa.
A madrasa and okay.
Madrasa and mosque.
Is it also a shrine? Oh no shrine.
This is madrasa and mosque.
Okay, madrasa and a mosque. Okay.
This is all the stuff came out of the Pakistan.
It's all from Pakistan. This one's
You
here.
can see truck, heavy load, and there.
All right, so this is what they used to deliver them. And these trucks go all around, pretty much all around Pakistan, from Pakistan to India to Afghanistan. These trucks go.
Yeah.
Wow. This place is very colorful, man, and you get so many different faces and stuff as well. It's just incredible to see, eh? But you just gotta be very, very careful where you step.
Red carrots. Red carrots.
Red carrots?
Only Pakistan have red carrots.
Red carrots.
Yeah.
Salam. Red carrots. I've never
Very good
seen.
for juicy.
Is it sweet?
Yes, sweet.
Sweet?
Sweets and more blood.
Oh, okay.
Hey, chalo.
Wow. Very, very sweet, eh? It's sort of like
Saji kiਵੇਂ ਤੜੀ ਰਹੀ?
what do they call it? Sweet potatoes almost.
Almost $1, 5 kilograms carrots.
That's a lot of juice, a lot of blood, eh?
Yeah.
Kids got no shoes, unfortunately. It's a tough life, man.
Somalia Australia का है. पिछो माँ बाप Somalia के हैं Australia का. और यहाँ से orange.
Oh, he's got regular carrots. Eh?
There's a regular and now it's orange.
Okay.
This is mint, onions, or vegetable.
In my country, that's the regular ones.
Yeah, regular.
And
Yeah.
that's the extraordinary ones. Extraordinary ones right here. That's crazy. Look at these trucks, man. So many different patterns and colors and signatures. You can't look at this and not tell me that this reminds you of a devil fruit from One Piece. Like, it's so crazy. I don't even know. What's the name of this?
And my friend, we call in Kia.
Kia.
And like pumpkin, you know, like
And it's like
that one.
juicy
This is vegetable.
vegetable, and it's got a lot of juice.
Yeah, the dark juice is very good for brain.
Yes.
And the Prophet Muhammad peace upon him love eat this vegetable.
Okay, so how do you eat this? Do you make it like a smoothie? Do you make like a...
My friend, we just making cooking.
Yes.
And they have also on little bit on water, and normal cooking is very soft.
Very soft. Okay.
Very soft.
And you can eat by itself sometimes as well?
Yeah, you can eat it.
Nice. Very nice. I need to give this a try one day. Salam.
मुसलमान है रोजा क्या
Oh yeah? Whoa, it's a lot of people over there, right? You've even got this horse. A couple of animals around. I've seen cow, a couple of dogs actually with a few puppies, and now you got this horse. Surely there's a sheep, you know, have the whole 4 groups or whatever, or it's not a trifecta because they've already got 3. I have the whole 4 squad. It's like a little line, man. This is what they use in what's that? Sugar cane.
Yeah, sugar cane. Also sugar cane. Also people make it fresh lamb locals, and also some salad we using a lot.
It's very nice. Alright, let's get past this horse without startling it. It's got a lot of patience, this horse. Hectic traffic a bit as well, eh? Oh yeah, let's get off the track for a bit and step onto some solid ground. There's a lot of people here, eh? Oh, sorry. And you got a lot. This is like the stockpiles. Oh, these people here probably pay a bit more to own shelter compared to being out there in the open where it was raining maybe an hour ago. Plus also there's mud in conditions and all that stuff. These guys are chilling. These ones back here, you know, they've got pretty nice solid shelter, ground, little mud. Not too shabby.
If you want to stand here as you like, you want to stand here?
Well, on the back?
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure. Oh wait, in here? Oh.
As you like. Maybe, you know,
yeah, actually it's a bit risky. That's alright, that's alright. We'll probably be stuck in the traffic if I go on there. He's not going anywhere anytime soon, actually. All of that are 5 kilos for $1. That's a lot of cauliflower, man. I don't know what I'll do with it. Make like cauliflower fried chicken or whatever. But yeah, no, I'm sure there's a vegan or vegetarian out there that love this. Assalamu alaikum. Beautiful. But yeah, a lot of things, man. For $1 you can get quite a lot of things, man. I mean, this is literally yeah, paradise for a vegan, really. If it fits your hygiene requirements, maybe. Salam. Cholo, let's go. Oh, you got Kent's pumpkins right here. I know those ones. This one's full of milk, eh? One of those guys is like Bangladesh. I think he's referring to me as Bengali.
That is a vegetable market, that is a food market.
Okay, so that's the vegetable behind us, and this is the food market with a few vegetables as well. Oh yes, look at this. Oh, sorry, you mean fruit? Yeah, so that's the vegetables. This is the fruit section. Wow, it's amazing that they separated it. Hey, what if you want to sell both? Very, very interesting. I wonder what kind of... Oh wow, that's incredible. Look at this. Strawberries. I've seen quite a lot of strawberries being here, actually. I think they might be in season somewhere, maybe across the border or down south. And this, whoo, look at that. What is do you know what this one is? It's a
melon.
Melon?
Yes.
Okay, sweet or sour?
Sweet, sweet.
This is sweet as well.
Sometimes sweet, some a little less sweet, but it's very interesting.
The more yellow, the sweeter?
Yeah.
Okay. It's very nice and cold as well.
This is very good for kidney, you know. They clean your kidney with the stone, anything. It's very good. And very good for digestion also.
There's a lot of fruits I need to try out, man. There's really quite a lot of things here that I need to try out.
It's like $3, 5 kilogram. Right, most is cheaper right now out of season. That's why they're expensive.
That's right. So $3 for 5 kilograms. That's still pretty good.
Yeah.
5 kilograms, you can get maybe like 7 of those. No, maybe like 8 of those. Yeah, 7 to 8 of those will make 5 kilograms maybe. One's like 600 grams or whatever. Or maybe 800. I don't know, but you do the maths. And you got bananas, finger lady bananas, I think. Okay, not finger ladies.
It's quite expensive. It's like right now, first time because inflation in the Pakistan, and mostly if you go 2 years back, this is like 12 piece, almost like 10 cent. Now it's almost like $1.
That's okay, $1.
But it's expensive.
It's expensive here, yeah. Oh, right. This is like mulberries. Oh, so nice. I used to eat these off the trees back home all the time. They leave a mess in your hand because they're so like juicy and whatnot. They just leave a terrible stain. Not terrible, just a lot. Like a bloody stain all over your fingers and whatever, and mouth and yada yada. But very sweet, very rich. Salah, how are you? Good?
Fine.
Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah.
Almost all just like $3.
All of this for $3. Whoa! 9 kilos. Wow, yes, it is very heavy. Yeah. Oh, yeah, it's heavy. I can't lift that with one hand. Wow. All for $3. Oh, okay. You want to take a photo? Alhamdulillah, tea. Wow. Very good quality. You got the red, you got the purple, and you got the black. And you know what they say, the blacker the berry, whoo, you know what it is. Oh yeah, yeah.
We have good quality. We have a good quality. Come.
Oh, okay, they're selling. It's like an auction almost. Oh, good salesman, eh? Got my intention.